Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho from scratch. We'll begin by selecting the best beef bones, like knuckle and marrow bones, which are essential for a deeply flavorful broth. Roasting these bones, along with ginger and onions, adds a crucial layer of complexity. This initial step is vital for developing the rich, aromatic foundation of your pho, setting the stage for an authentic taste experience. Next, let's prepare the aromatic spices that define pho's unique fragrance. Toasting whole spices such as star anise, cloves, and cinnamon sticks awakens their essential oils, intensifying their flavor. Placing these in a small cheesecloth bag allows for easy removal later. These fragrant additions are introduced to the broth during the final stages of simmering, ensuring their delicate aromas infuse perfectly. Now, let's focus on the noodles and beef. Choose fresh or dried flat rice noodles, ideally about 1/4 inch wide, and prepare them according to package directions. For the beef, thinly slice a tender cut like eye of round or sirloin against the grain. This ensures the meat cooks quickly and remains tender when the hot broth is poured over it. Don't forget your fresh garnishes. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious pho bowl. Place a generous portion of cooked rice noodles into a large bowl, followed by the thinly sliced raw beef. Carefully ladle the piping hot broth over the beef and noodles. The heat of the broth will gently cook the meat to perfection. Finish with your favorite garnishes, like fresh cilantro, basil, and a squeeze of lime for a truly authentic experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.